Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change the current Visual Studio theme. Here as you saw, I have the theme as dark color. How we can change that? Select these tools and then go to options. Alright, in this general section here there's the option to choose the color theme. I will select something like blue to see what will happen. It will take some time because it is change the whole appearance of the software. Alright, here is the color. That is fine. Now we can open some project. Thank you very much. I forgot to tell you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.